Well, okay, guys, it's the first day of spring. We're gonna go ahead and get the garden or the raised beds ready for the gardening season. As you can tell, there's quite a few things growing here. We're gonna get all this scrapped out. Some of this is stuff from last year. Some of it's, things that we should get out. That way, it's ready to go for whenever it is time to plant. So get all the green out, get all the old stuff out, and then we'll see where we're at from there. Okay, guys, you'll see I missed some stuff. There's some cat poop in there. So, yeah, I didn't want to put gloves on and don't want to touch cat poop with my bare hands. We got the rock rake out. We're just going to scuff it up a little bit. Hopefully pull a little bit of roots out that I may have missed. But, it is what it is. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I'm not too worried, because if I missed it, it'll grow back, and then I can get the shovel out there to pull it out. So right now, we're just getting it cleaned up a little bit in preparation. We've got several months before we can plant yet. Okay, and I've got several different compost bins back here. I got the tumbler behind me. This is the least full of them, so I'm probably going to dump this out into the main compost pile, and then chuck all this into there to get it started. Now we're going to go ahead and take a lot of our compost from our aerobic compost pile. Okay, and naturally, you're just going to add your compost to your raised garden beds or regular garden beds. If it was a regular garden bed, you would till it in. Of which this is a raised garden bed. We really shouldn't till it, but I do have the portable tiller, so I might till it in later. But as far as right now, I'm just gonna get it spread out on top. Okay guys, and you need to make sure that you pick up any trash that maybe you find in your compost. Of course, any groups of roots or anything, you don't want them to take hold. If you miss a few though, it's still early enough in the year that we can fix it later. We're gonna dump the composter out and dump the trash can out. Let those start getting aerated. Aerobic bacteria can start to flourish, and it'll kill off the anaerobic because now it'll be exposed to oxygen.